Did you know that some of the everyday items we use were actually invented by accident? Let's explore the fascinating stories behind these inventions. Post-it notes were initially created as a failed attempt to develop a strong adhesive. Instead, they became a popular office staple due to their repositionable nature. The invention of the Frisbee was inspired by pie tins. The inventor observed college students tossing pie tins from the Frisbee Pie Company, which led to the development of the iconic flying disc. The world's first commercial chewing gum was made from spruce tree resin. Thomas Adams marketed it as a digestive aid but later switched to chicle, a natural latex, which is used in modern gum. The invention of the microwave oven happened accidentally when engineer Percy Spencer noticed a candy bar in his pocket melted while standing near a magnetron tube. Bubble wrap was initially created as textured wallpaper, but it gained popularity as protective packaging material due to its excellent shock-absorbing properties. Velcro was inspired by burrs sticking to clothing. Swiss engineer George de Mestral developed the hook and loop fastener system we now know as Velcro. Safety matches were invented after accidental explosions from earlier matchstick formulations, which led to the creation of a safer version with a separate striking surface. Play-Doh was originally a wallpaper cleaner made from putty. However, when customers started using it for modeling, the company rebranded it as a children's toy. Potato chips were created due to a customer complaint. Chef George Crumbs sliced potatoes thinly and fried them in response to a customer's request for thinner fries, giving birth to the crispy snack. Coca-Cola's original formula contained cocaine until it was removed in the early 1900s, and the beverage evolved into the non-addictive soda we know today. Throughout history, many everyday objects have been invented that we often take for granted. Let's explore the fascinating stories behind some of these inventions. In 1925, Richard Drew created a revolutionary adhesive tape that would later be known as Scotch tape. Originally used for packaging, it quickly gained popularity. The ballpoint pen, patented by Laszlo Biro in 1938, changed the way we write. Its reliable ink flow made it a game-changer in the world of writing instruments. Elias Howe patented the zipper in 1851, but it wasn't until Whitcomb Judson marketed it for boots and tobacco pouches that it became popular. The paper clip, with its modern form credited to Norwegian Johan Voller in 1899, has undergone many design changes throughout history. The QWERTY keyboard layout, designed by Christopher Latham Scholes in the 1860s, was initially created to prevent typewriters from jamming. The Post-it note was inspired by a colleague of scientist Spencer Silver, who used weak glue on his bookmarks to prevent them from falling out. Silly Putty, originally created as a rubber substitute during World War II, became a popular toy after being marketed to children in the 1950s. Kevlar, now used in bulletproof vests, was initially intended for use in tires. The Slinky, accidentally invented by naval engineer Richard James, was originally meant to stabilize ship instruments but became a popular toy. The tea bag was invented in the early 20th century when tea merchant Thomas Sullivan started sending tea samples in small silk bags. The thermos flask, invented by Scottish scientist Sir James Dewar in 1892, keeps liquid temperatures stable with its double-walled container. From sunglasses to disposable diapers, inventions have shaped our lives in ways we may not always realize. Let's appreciate the ingenuity behind these everyday objects.